Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to this week's cleaning video. I have a bunch of stuff to do upstairs: laundry, putting away kids' clothes, vacuuming, mopping, cleaning the bathroom, organizing, tidying up, that kind of thing. So let's get started. I have a bunch of towels that need to be washed, beach, pool, that kind of thing. And I try to do this once a week, but sometimes, with being outside in the summer, I got to do it every few days. So I'm sure you guys understand there. The laundry is never ending. I try to do a load every day at least, and it's much more manageable that way. So I'm going to get this going, and then I have a load of laundry to fold, and then I'm going to start moving on to cleaning and organizing. If you're tight for space, especially in kids' closets, pick up one of these. Walmart, even Target has them. These organizers are great for kids' clothes and toys. I can't recommend them enough. And I always recommend starting the laundry before you get started with cleaning and organizing, putting clothes away, whatever you need to get done. This way you have the load of laundry running and you are also doing something, saving time. My bedroom was in desperate need of being vacuumed, and I use the Swiffer up here. Or not the Swiffer, the Bona. So normally I like to vacuum upstairs once a week, but this past week I wasn't able to get to it, and it wasn't really that bad. And then as far as Swiffering and using the Bona, I do that every 2 to 3 weeks because we don't wear shoes upstairs, so it doesn't ever get too dirty. But in the bathroom, I do like to always mop that weekly because the bathroom floor gets gross. So a few weeks ago, my battery on my Dyson stick would not charge. It would last for 5 minutes. I went on Amazon, I got a new battery. I'll link which one I got down below, but the battery works so good. Here's a little trick. I've definitely shared this before, but I spray some disinfectant spray on my Swiffer dusters, and I like to do this in my bathroom when I dust. It just makes me feel better, like I'm disinfecting and things are nice and clean. And these are my favorite wet mopping cloths. I either like these or the Sentivia. I do think I like these a little bit better, but they work so well at just removing all the debris and the soil off of your bathroom floor. And I typically use one pad to cover your whole bathroom floor. And look at how gross that is. And one of my favorite ways to organize things in my bathroom is to repurpose candle jars. I love the ones from Bath & Body Works. Perfect at holding your Q-tips and your cotton balls. And make sure the jar is nice and clean, and always clean your hands prior to doing this. So there you have it. Nice, simple, clean, and organized. Guys, I got super lazy last week, just leaving everything on my bathroom counter like a catch-all. So lots to do here. Got to organize all my products. Luckily, I have a spot for everything, and I know where everything goes, so it makes the process go a lot quicker. I know this is nasty, but I want to show you. I like to clean my hairbrush very often. I take a comb, pull it through, and then I spray it with some alcohol to disinfect it. I ordered a couple new products at I'm absolutely in love with, and I can't wait to share with you guys how good they are. So I need to put them away. I am way overdone on my lip products. I got to go through my collection and start decluttering again, going through what's expired. So I will make a video on that soon. This gorgeous little palette, so pretty. I actually picked it up off of Poshmark with some of my earnings, and I can't wait to show you guys just how pretty it performs. I am a huge fan of Lazy Susans in cabinets, under your bathroom cabinets. Perfect for holding like your skincare, contact stuff, anything like that. And then on the top portion, you'll see that's where I keep all of my fragrances. And if you have a lot of hair ties, headbands, scrunchies, use some clear shower rings. They are perfect for storing and organizing. I just use the command hook and just hang it on them, and it just tucks everything away nice and neat and organized. I finally got everything put away. I am going to be cleaning now the sinks and the countertops using the Lysol hydrogen peroxide cleaner to clean the sinks. It does an amazing job and it smells fantastic. To clean my countertops, air quartz, I'm just using a little dish soap and water in a spray bottle. Nothing fancy, works great, especially if you've had a bunch of gunk on your counters like I have the past week. It really gets everything up and off, and my counters are nice and clean and shiny. Now, to clean my faucets, I also use the soap and water, but then you'll see at the end, I like to shine them with some diluted alcohol, just like rubbing alcohol IPA that you get right at the store. Just put it in a water bottle. Works great for that. And I'm also using that rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle to clean my mirrors. It works perfect at keeping glass nice and clean and shiny. And the reason I am using paper towel here is because there's some like razor shavings from when my husband shaved, and it grosses me out to use it with a microfiber cloth. So I like to clean it first with the paper towel. That's all. So much better. I haven't seen my bathroom like this in like 2 weeks. Just everything clean and organized and put away and where it should be. Just makes me so much more relaxed. I'll give you a quick peek into all of my drawers. I will put up above in the cards some videos on how I organize if you're interested in that. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great week.